Welcome students, this is your fine arts painting theory class. Students, in this video we will go through the sculpture from Unit 3 Modern Trends in Indian Art. The sculptures are Triumph of Labour by D.P. Roy Chaudhary, Santhal Family by Ram Kinkar Veg, Cries Unheard by Amarnath Sehgal and Ganesha by P.V. Janki Ram. Let's start the sculpture Cries Unheard. But before going to the description part, let's know about the sculptor, Amarnath Sehgal. Amarnath Sehgal is multi-talented creative personality. He is an engineer, a philosopher, a poet and a sculptor. He was born on February 5th, 1922 in Pakistan. He is an internationally reputed sculptor and basically a science graduate. He started his career as an engineer at Lahore. Art is his inborn talent. He started learning art privately at Lahore School of Fine Arts. After partition, he migrated to India and started working as freelance artist. Anguished Cries, Hunger and Cries Unheard are his masterpiece work in bronze. His monumental sculpture dedicated to scientific achievements are Conquest of Man in Washington, D.C. He wants to spread the message of peace, love and compassion through this art. Now, let's know about the sculpture. This large-size bronze statue made by well-known sculptor Amarnath Sehgal in 1958. Now, it is in the National Gallery of Modern Art, New Delhi. The theme of this sculpture shows injustice and exploitation done by rich and powerful people. The distortion of the figures present the social evil and distorted view of society. In description part, this symbolic work in which three nude figures of a family are standing in a deep mental pain. They have glooming faces full of agony and distress. All the three elongated figures of man, women and a child have hollow faces and their hands raised towards the sky in the helpless position. This lifelong exploitation has made them hollow. The right hand of the child is up while his left hand is shown in down position. Man and child are looking up, but women is looking down. They all are asking for the help from Almighty God because no one is ready to hear their protest in the society. The mask-like faces of victims seems to suggest that they have been suffering by the hands of unjust people in the society who have been exploiting them. Artists believe that it is responsibility of every artist to make cries of victim people heard by the society. Here we should also know that the President of India presented a gold plaque as a reward to the sculptor Amarnath Sehgal for Cries Unheard. So students, this is the description of the sculpture Cries Unheard by Amarnath Sehgal. Thank you.